I think we just doing a nightly routine, you know, little vlog.
Why got your lips all?
I was admiring how my mustache is rolling over into my mouth. Look. Let me move my lips to what you're saying.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do a nightly routine. As soon as the girls wake up, we'll show you what we do, like dinner, baths, the whole 9, 10, 15, 20 yards. Josh is terrible at this.
Oh, you recording? What's happening? We waiting on these girls to wake up. Then we go eat this dinner, this delicious crock pot or pressure cook.
Pressure cook.
This delicious pressure cook, pulled pork, you know what I'm saying? Watching a little gumball. Had the charger come in for the MacBook, along with the hard drive, the memory, everything that's needed. But we still waiting on the keyboard. We gonna have a video about that for sure. But I'm about to make this USB boot disc for this right now, so.
Guess who's up?
Hey, baby. Hey.
Mom.
Little grapefruit head.
Rude. You hungry? Yeah. Come on, let's go eat. Give me a kiss. Ah, give a kiss. Give a kiss. Oh. 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 She's sweet when she wakes up, guys. Give them a kiss. Let's go eat. Some pulled pork for Jay. I clean her hot chair every night when she's done eating. Yeah. You thirsty? Alright, let me get you something to drink. Apple and Eve, apple juice for G. She feeds the dog. Look at other little one. What you doing?
About to make this boot disc.
So we can start editing from that one.
So I can get everything done. It'll be done by the end of the week.
By the end of the week.
Guaranteed a medal on the paper. We grabbing. It was delicious. You know, weekday chilling. We tired. Shoveling that driveway, boy, wore me out. Jay chilling over there. I'm trying to go and get this MacBook up and going today. That would be good. That would be great. So yeah. But other than that, it's just us signing out.
Yeah, I guess so.
Chill night, man. You know, snow day yesterday. Makeup looks pretty.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
But babe, you know that I got them eyebrows on fleek.
You didn't do my eyebrows.
I mean, I could have.
Not
I could
as good
have.
as this.
I could have. Zeke over there looking for any scraps Jade happened to drop. We're Novah. She drinking her bottle.
She's asleep.
Novah sleep. Girl's been kind of stuffy, so they just sleeping. You know, so we'll probably have an early night. What time is it? 7 o'clock. Early-ish night. Hopefully I can have this this MacBook up and going in a couple hours. That would be great.
And then I just want to let you guys know that, like, we're just trying to vlog our lives right now. We don't do anything interesting every single day. I'm pretty sure you guys don't either. And maybe you do, and if you do, girl, boy, get it. But we don't. We're too tired for that.
We be chilling, man. We parents, man.
Like,
I mean, I feel like they didn't really need an announcement.
I know, but I'm saying, like, because a lot of people, I feel, would be like, oh, well, that's just a boring video. But it's like, sometimes we just chill.
It's Vlogmas, bro. We about to be uploading every day for, 25 days till Christmas gets here. So, man, we don't keep it jumping like that, bro.
Especially with 2 kids and a dog, we can only...
It stays jumping, trust me. This is, when we get days like this, we're like, all right, let's relax a little bit. So we probably go... Like I said, I'm trying to get that MacBook going. I'm probably about to eat another one of these barbecue sandwiches, though. They hitting, boy. I'm telling you, man, that Instapot. Hit it up. This right here. She had that mess waiting for me. It smelled like barbecue while I was out there shoveling the driveway. But, yeah. We'll try and get that MacBook going. Then we probably just go lay out in the bed and chill. Watch some American Horror Story, We watching, we at the hotel right now. It looks like it's vampires. It's kind of crazy. I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
It's pretty cool.
But we took showers already, but I'm about to give these girls a bath, wake Nova up, give her a bath, put her back into bed. And, I guess we'll just see you guys tomorrow.
Parenting, man. But, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. Do nothing. You can say it in the comment section. Zeke climbing through the little pool we went sledding in. You can sit in the comment section and talk junk if you want. Be like, bro, your mustache is overgrown. You know what I'm saying?
And y'all can comment on this lipstick, because, like, this part got so dark. Because I normally mix black with my makeup. But, yeah, I still had some lipstick on from yesterday and just tried covering that up, but it didn't go. But yeah, you can comment negativity, positivity. We just really look forward to seeing what, like, you guys would like to see us do next. But
we might do it, we might not. Yeah, hey, let us know a cheap family outing. Probably the next day it's like nice outside. We all going to the dog park. Go take Zeke out. He would love that, But let us know like some things that's cheap to free. Because if it's free, it's for me, boy, We probably go check out the Christmas lights here in Danville. We like doing like budget things, man, because you can ball on a budget and still have fun, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Plus, you only live once, and the girls are growing up way too fast.
Too fast.
We want them to experience...
That's our cue.
Yeah. We just want them to experience life to the fullest. But this is us signing out. It's bad time for Jade.
Bad time or bad
Bad
time? Yeah, she just had some barbecue.
I'm gonna show you guys what this...
Nah. This girl sitting here eating barbecue. She said pancake. She wanted a pancake, boy.
You see bread now. You want some bread now.
Baby, I gave you bread yesterday on camera. You threw it. Oh, you forgot about it.
Can you say bye-bye?
Mom.
More.
You still hungry?
More.
What, you want another pancake? Pancake? Yeah? You want a pancake? Oh, yeah, man. It's us, Check it out, man. Got the cheddar on the bread. About to throw it in. The beautiful cousin. Oh, thanks to Moms for the shirt. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time, I don't like Mickey Mouse memorabilia or nothing, but, we rambling. Sign us out, man. Sign us out.
All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Guess who's clean? You clean. Let's get some clothes. Let's get some... Ow! Get the light. Get the big light. Come here. Yes. Yay, we clean. No. What was that? What kind of laugh is that? get you your buddies that Mima got you. Ooh, who is styling and profiling? EJ.
Be there, of course. I need emotional support. You're my mom. Start acting like it.
Clean baby number 2. Clean baby number 2. And she woke up. And she woke up. Where'd that hat go? Where did that hat go? Sit up. Hello. Hello. You sit. Oh, you rolling back. Oh, don't fall. Are you sitting up? I'm gonna still support just in case. You're sitting up. Yay. Oh, my baby.